Hi, my name's Mark Joseph. I'm a Senior Solutions Consultant for Bold360 at LogMeIn. Today's event, we held a customer forum in order for our customers to come down to this event in order to share their best practices and to hear about what we're currently doing, what our customers are currently doing, and where we are taking our product in the future. So what we'd like the customers to take away is the truth and value of having customers such as SAP and RBS share their journey, share their story in terms of how they got from A to B, and let them know that yes, it may not be an easy road, but the outcomes that they will take from in having a product of our nature in their business has a massive impact.
In my role as the Global Head of Support for SAP Intelligent Technologies, it's really important that we're able to deliver the right business outcomes for our customers. The partnership that we've had in developing the user experience from a customer perspective, but also the employee experience in how to live that experience has been absolutely fundamental for us.
We're here to share our insights. We're fully transparent in what we're doing, and we want to show you the value that you could be having, and we want to really show you what you're missing out on.
When you see what other people are doing, it just opens your eyes, and that really is exciting for me.
We have many features and functionalities which we'll be delivering in the next upcoming year, and we're going to be carrying these out more often to hear the voice of yourselves, because we value that.